Hello again, everybody. This is Chris here at McCarthy's in San Luis Obispo, and I am showing off a beautiful 1994 Acura NSX that we just received here on consignment. And before I give you the walk around here, I'm just going to give you some specifics about this particular car. It is a consignment, which means it's locally owned here in San Luis Obispo. And before the vehicle was brought to us, it had a major service done at the local Honda dealer. It's currently got 64,000 miles on it, and prior to delivering it to us for sale, the owner had $6,400 worth of maintenance done to prepare it, make sure it's ready for the next owner. That service included basic things like the oil and filter change, oil filter. It did timing belt, water pump tensioners, alternator belt, AC belt, the valve adjustment. They did the cam seals, cam plug seals, spark plugs, oil filter housing seal, new oil pan and gasket, new brake master cylinder, brake flush, trans flush and service, new coolant reservoir and hoses. Really went through the vehicle and just made sure it was 100% ready to fire up and take right from the jump. So give you a little walk around here of the car. This is my favorite color of the NSX. I call it the Ferrari red. I had a poster of this exact car when I was young on my bedroom wall. A white Lamborghini Countach and a red Acura NSX. This car here is mostly stock, functionally stock I should say. It's obviously got the aftermarket wheels that add quite a bit of style, and it's got the Comptech catback exhaust system. It sounds real nice, not too loud, but very nice. Tires are new Bridgestones, brand new Bridgestones as a matter of fact, and you can tell looking at the paint, this car has obviously always been garaged. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. So for this year, 1994, in this package specifically, with the red paint, tan interior, and automatic transmission, there were only 9 of these cars produced, according to Acura and Honda's records here. So I'll take a brief pause and show you around the inside of the car a bit. So you'll be able to see here, there's no wear on the doors, on the switches. For the age of this vehicle, or for the age of any vehicle, this thing is in stellar condition. Color R77. Seats are in fantastic condition, as is all of the interior. So continuing to show you just how spotless this car is. Under the front hood, everything is just in pristine condition. It's got the original spare. I don't think it's ever been on the ground. Can't say that I would probably advise using a spare that old, but want to keep the car original. Give me 1 second and I'll move to the rear. The back of the car here, you'll see everything is still as new. Got your Acura 6-disc changer there. Some extra floor mats to put over the originals. The originals are in fantastic shape. Keep them that way by keeping them covered up. And you can see here all the seals, being that this vehicle has always been kept indoors and been back and forth between this California home and Arizona home. Everything's just in great shape. There's no cracking, peeling, fading, any of the kind of things you see when cars aren't kept in the right conditions. Here's the engine compartment. With all the servicing just being done, you shouldn't have to get in here for anything for quite a long time. You do have that new coolant bottle that you can see there with the new hoses. The valve cover gaskets were done obviously when they did the valve adjustment and the cam seals, timing belt, all that kind of thing. Another one of the very few aftermarket parts. It does have the aftermarket carbon fiber air box, but it is California smog compliant. And another thing that was on the list from Honda is they replaced these lift supports here as well. So this car is absolutely ready to buy and drive. Try and show you under if I can. Give me 1 second. I don't have any lighting, but everything is dry. Tires are new. That Comtech Sport. All right, everybody. Well, thanks for watching. And if you have any questions, give me a call. This is Chris at McCarthy's here in San Luis Obispo. And you can reach me anytime, 805-544-1900. Thanks for watching.